These three types of offers are what allowed me to go from being stuck at $30K a year to making $100K in just 12 months in my coaching business, working just 20 hours a week. Today, I'm going to break down what these three offers are, why you need each one of them, and how to implement them into your coaching or consulting business right now. So first off, what is an offer? Well, I'll tell you what an offer is not. An offer is not modules. It's not the amount of sessions that people get, the length of your program, how long your sessions are, if they get courses. It is none of that. What an offer is simply an outcome that people are happy to pay for. An offer is a solution. And what each one of these offers that I'm about to show you are simply solutions for different stages of the journey in terms of working with you. Now, with each one of these offers that we create, we want to think about something that Alex Hormozi hammers into everyone and even wrote his book, $100 Million Offers around, which is that we want to make an offer so good that people feel stupid saying no. And it's not that we're trying to make people feel dumb or anything like that. We just want people to feel a little bit of FOMO of like, this is a huge opportunity for me. I should take this up. Before we even get into the three offers and building them, I just need you to understand that an offer is simply a solution, because the biggest problem with coaches of any kind of industry or niche, especially when they're new, is that they think that the deliverables are what the offer is. So what they do is that they cram all these different deliverables, 27 bonuses. Oh, I'm going to give you my 50,000 hours of coaching courses and a 400-page workbook, because they think that more is better. But in reality, what people pay for is a simple solution to a painful problem. The deliverables are important, but what they need to do is reinforce the outcome that they are ultimately paying for. Inflated offers show insecurity, while simple offers create sales. So with all that context taken care of, let's get into these three offers. Now, the first one is something I call a leads offer. Now, what this is simply an offer that brings people into your world who care about your solution. That is it. You are running a business as a coach, and every business needs leads. Leads are the lifeblood of any business. So we need something that's free or cheap, it could be, that gets people in the door of our business and shows buyer intent. But it still needs to be a solution to them, and that's going to stimulate interest in the other things that we can offer. This is such an important offer, but so many people build these things in the wrong way. They'll create a 30-page ebook going over their entire process and program that just skims the surface, and they think that that is going to be something that's going to make someone want to buy from me when there's all these other people teaching the same thing. So the goal with a leads offer is to solve a small, specific, and persistent problem that tees up your core offer. Let me give you an example. Let's say that your core offer is that you help people create and sell online courses while they sleep. And let's say that you sell that program and help people get that outcome of making passive income sales while they sleep, and it's $10,000. Instead of going over all the different pieces that go into creating and selling an online course, because there's so many skills and things that you have to learn in order to be able to pull that off. We should think about the one biggest problem that most of the people that you work with are dealing with, or that they're dwelling on. Now, I actually used to offer this back in the day when I first started Profit Your Knowledge. And one of the biggest problems that I heard from people was that they have hundreds of ideas and they don't know which one to choose. I would hear that from 9 out of 10 people. So if my core offer is the whole system to create and sell an online course and make passive income with that, then my lead magnet could just be hyper targeted on this one persistent problem, which is finding your course idea. And what you could offer is a template to nail their course idea, or it could be a free consultation, but it has the goal of nailing your course idea. Because think about what happens. If you promise that you're going to help them nail their course idea, they nail it and they say, this is awesome, I know what to build now. Oh, but wait, how do I create the sales page? How do I automate this? What are the best tools that I should use? How should I structure out the course lesson? How long should my course be? There's so many other questions that are coming up that they can get hung up on. And that's where you say, well, actually, in my full program over here, we walk you through all of that. We give you all the support you need, and the main goal of the program is to get you to where you're making $10K a month or whatever the goal is, selling online courses and making passive income with them. So can you see why this is so valuable? Because if people come into your world and they're dealing with this very persistent problem, like everyone deals with this one thing, and then you solve that problem for them, that could be the one thing that they needed help with, and then they're good. Great, you got to help someone. But also, most people are going to want more. And that's where you can very clearly tee up that your main offer or core program is the ultimate solution to this. And they already like you because you actually help them rather than quickly glazing over all the different things that your main program does, which is what most people do. So with a lead offer, you want to offer something that can't easily be Googled. Something else that people do is that they create a training or they create a guide or something like that, that someone could easily just go Google or look up ChatGPT. But if I gave you a template to help you nail your course idea, and then right after you downloaded that, it went to a video where I showed you how to use the template and gave you some pointers, that would provide a lot more value to you to help you figure out this one persistent problem. And then I can reach out to you after and say, hey, did you figure out your course idea? And if you did, awesome, you probably have more questions, so let's sit on a call. And if you didn't figure out your course idea from the video or the template, let me offer just to sit down and help you with this because you have to figure this out. This is you creating context, and it makes getting clients so much easier in your business. A lot of people reach out to me because they want to learn how to use YouTube in their business, not to become YouTube viral, super famous, but to actually make money. I've been making thousands of dollars every single month from YouTube since I had 200 subscribers. It has generated me a lot of business without having a massive audience. So now I've been able to teach a lot of other people on how to make money from their YouTube channel. So a simple example of a leads offer that I just did last week is that I ran some ads and I did some promotion, and I ended up getting 30 people onto a YouTube workshop that was specifically designed for coaches and consultants or experts to help them leverage the channel of YouTube so they can stop posting every single day on social media. They can work fewer hours and make more money. They can create passive income, attract clients who are pre-sold on working with them from their YouTube content. And I taught them all the different things in regards to that for 2 whole hours. Now, these people stayed on this call with me for 2 whole hours because I was coaching them, I was answering questions, and that one free workshop has already generated me $12,000 to date. And I have more calls on the calendar from this. So even though you're offering something that's free, it is still a solution that is really designed to solve a specific problem that builds trust with you and tees up your main offer. But even though it's free, it still needs to be an offer that is so good that people feel stupid saying no. And by the way, if you want to watch that workshop replay, I'll link it down below in the description of this video. So when you have a free offer that gets people into the door with you and makes it an easy yes to start building trust with you, the next offer that we should have to help you hit 6 figures as a coach is a premium offer. So what a premium offer is a close proximity offer that I would recommend you pricing at $3,000 plus. So it could be 5K, 10K, 20K, 100 grand, $3,000, anything like that. And you think about what's going on here and why this is so important, because rather than you, probably as a newer coach, trying to make 100 sales at $100 with a low cost course or digital product, you can make one single sale at $5,000. $10,000 and hit your revenue goals way faster with way fewer people. But again, you have to make sure that this premium offer is still something that is a solution to a burning problem. With a premium offer, you will make more money working with fewer people doing less work, plus you'll work with more premium people who take the process a lot more seriously. And then they end up getting better results, which is a win-win for everyone. You get the testimonial, they get the result, and you get a bigger paycheck. I mean, you think about my YouTube workshop that I mentioned. It was a free event. People came in from all over the world to join me and sit down with me. And then people watched the replays, and then they were reaching out because they wanted to learn this thing because I've developed the skills and I know how to do this stuff. And then when they work with me, I have a year-long program that's $10,000 to $12,000. And I enrolled one client from that. So it's not like I had to make 1,000 sales to hit 12 grand. I had one person say, this makes sense to me. I want to do this right now. And now I also have context to reach out to people in the future, and I still have calls booked leading up to next week as well. It's so much easier to hit your revenue goals and work with fewer people when you have a premium offer. So to help you build yours, think about the biggest problem that your audience is facing and create a high-touch, hands-on solution to solve it. Typically, this is on a one-to-one basis. I will work with you privately to get this result, but the result is what people care about more than anything. So I have changed my business model over the years because I did one-on-one work for a long time, and I think it's great. It's going to help you make money way faster. One conversation, one person. You don't need to have crazy tech. You just have to have a good offer and a good presence, and then get in front of more people and have more conversations. So I'm moving more to one-to-many now, but this is something that I used to offer one-on-one privately that was a $10,000 offer, and I sold it for years. First and foremost, the outcome I was helping people get was something that they actually would pull out their wallets for and pay me 10 grand for. And it was to help them turn their knowledge and expertise, this thing inside their head, into an evergreen style online business, something that's working for them 24/7 because people wanted to make passive income and actually get paid for their expertise. They want to work less and earn more. Now, I've been able to do that in my business, and I've put a lot of work into learning skills to be able to do that and created my own process. So that's a quick caveat. I know how to do this. I've done it myself. I've helped other people do it. Now, the program was 6 months because I know from working with people that in 6 months, we can get some awesome results, get your whole system built, and you're going to understand how to work this stuff. So it was weekly calls for 6 months. It came out to 24 calls. And also, in between our calls, they get unlimited Voxer access. So Voxer is a free walkie-talkie tool where you could message me anytime you want in here. I still have some clients who are on Voxer who've worked with me for a long time. But if in between our weekly calls, you're hung up on something, you have a question about something, rather than emailing me, you can send me a quick voice note like a walkie-talkie, or you can text me just like it's your phone number. And I get back to you within 24 hours. It's a great tool to add to create that high-touch experience that people want to feel seen and feel supported in getting this outcome. On top of that, I gave them lifetime access to all my courses, and they get to keep them even after we stop working together. So these are really helpful for people to study in between our sessions, specific aspects of whatever it is that we're working on. If it's YouTube, creating a digital product, getting coaching clients, anything like that. And that gave them more support to get this outcome. So they literally are listening to me 24/7, whether it's on our weekly calls, through my free content, through my course content, or talking to me on Voxer. And that's the idea you want to have with a premium level offer. It's a big, juicy problem that they actually care about, that you can charge $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 or more for, and your deliverables are strategically plugged in to not just have a ton of them to inflate the offer, but to show people that you are being supported every single step of the way to get that result way faster. That's what's going to make people want to work with you. But again, this offer has to be so good that people feel stupid saying no. And sometimes the offer's good, it's just not the right time for people, but make the offer so good that you would be like, this is a no-brainer. I can't believe I'm even offering this. You know, people would pay me that program for 10 grand, and then in a couple months, they'll make $35,000 plus. That's a good offer because they're genuinely getting an ROI. My process, my content, all of it's working. So think about the juicy outcome that you know your people really want and create 3 to 4 juicy deliverables that are going to reinforce the support they're going to get to achieve that outcome. Now, the third offer is something I call the pathway offer. So think about it like this. If you got 1,000 new customers or clients overnight, could you take them all on as customers? Could you accept their money and deliver on them? Well, if you're only offering a premium offer or a freebie offer, no, you're not going to make that much money. You can get more leads for sure in your free offer, but you can only take on so many one-on-one clients. So this is where we want something in between that is like a middle tier offer that is infinitely scalable, very important, but it's a lot more affordable and gives people a real taste of working with you. So let me give you an example of a pathway offer. Myron Golden is a phenomenal coach, mentor, consultant to businesses. His YouTube channel is awesome. Just type in Myron Golden. Myron, on a video I was watching, he'll charge $300,000+ to work with him privately. Now that's something that we would call a premium offer. Myron also gets millions of views across his different platforms like his YouTube channel, and he has a lot of people who are just not in a position to pay $300,000+ to work with him privately. Myron's goal is to make the biggest impact that he possibly can, so he has a pathway offer, and it's called the Make More Offers Challenge. So this is an offer that is infinitely scalable. Myron can get 10,000 people on this offer, and it doesn't matter. It doesn't change anything. He just goes through the motions, teaches his content, coaches a couple people that he can actually help, and it's priced at $100 to, I believe, $300, depending on the level of experience you want to have. The $300 ticket is the VIP, and I believe that that's where you get to ask him questions. The $97 is where you just come in just to get content and learn from Myron. But think about what he's doing here. Instead of you watching his free content or paying paying for his book, let's say, which would be a minimal investment, you know, 15 to 30 bucks or even free. And instead of you forking out somehow to pay him $300,000 to work with him privately and spend the day with him, he has this middle tier offer that is affordable for just about anyone, 100 to 300 bucks to grow your business. And he can get as many people as he wants in there and still serve them powerfully. And the whole thing about these offers is that people pay for proximity. If you pick up his book or watch his YouTube content, you are far away from him. He could be sleeping when you're watching that video. But if you hire him one-on-one, it's $300,000 something because you're getting his full immediate attention on you and your business. So the Make More Offers Challenge still gives you the attention from him, and he can actually answer your specific question, but it's so limited in the amount of time that you get with him. But it's also a $300 ticket, and one quick insight can dramatically change your entire business. So this is the idea of having a pathway offer that's somewhere in the middle. Now, quick caveat and warning here. Do not do what a lot of people do, which is start with a pathway offer like this until you've gotten some premium offer clients. I would highly recommend, and I put them in this order for this reason, starting with a leads offer to start getting people in the door and then offering something premium. You'll make money faster. You're not going to waste a bunch of time trying to build some digital product or something like that that is super scalable, because there's a lot of moving parts to an event like the Make More Offers Challenge. I know because I've ran them. And you're going to know what people are actually willing to fork out $3,000 for. You get to test things a lot faster when you're just offering one-on-one time with them, basically. So take my client Jason, for example. Jason teaches people how to do futures trading, and he came to me not knowing anything about online business, marketing, YouTube, content creation, anything like that. He was very green, but he had a great skill set, which was futures trading. He was making a ton of money doing futures trading. So the first thing that we did was we started getting him to make some content, but we also created his premium offer, which was a 6-month program where he was going to personally teach you how to do futures trading and make money like he has. And it was $3,000. You'd get a slight discount of like $2,500 if you paid in full. And this one offer made Jason $8,000 in the first 2 weeks of putting it out there in front of people. So you can already see that by having a premium offer, you're going to make a lot more money way faster. He didn't start with an online course or anything like that in the middle, but then after working with his private clients for a while, he started to figure out that, oh, people really want these daily market analysis. So what Jason would do is every night before the market opens, he would record his clients a quick 15 to 20 minute video going over what's kind of happening in the market and how to get prepped for the next day when the market opens. And by testing this with private clients, he realized that people were getting really good results. They were feeling more confident in their trades, et cetera, et cetera. So now we took that one aspect of his premium offer and turned it into a $97 per month daily market analysis offer. So now Jason can get flooded with business. If he goes on a big podcast or one of his YouTube videos really takes off, or he runs ads and it becomes very successful, then he can get 10,000 people inside of this program overnight and make a ton of money every single month. And it's not going to drown him in calls. He reserves his premium offer for those people who are willing to invest at a higher level in working with him privately. Now, on top of the videos for the daily market analysis, he also has a private community and a monthly Q&A session with Jason. So once a month, these people are paying him $97 a month, and that gives them 1 credit basically each month to sit down with Jason and answer their questions and give them some attention, but it's not meeting with them every single week for an hour. A pathway offer is more advanced, but it's something that you should really consider implementing into your business, especially as you start to fill up your private client list. And if you're struggling to even get clients right now consistently, watch this video next and I will show you how to get coaching clients so fast it feels illegal. Hey, if this content was helpful to you, please like this video, share it with someone that you think would benefit from this, and comment below any questions or comments that you have. If you got a takeaway or a big aha from this, let me know down below. And if you want questions on your specific pathway offer or premium offer that you can make, let me know down below. As always, take what you learned here, get out there and make something happen. I'll see you in the next one.